Here's a funny story. It's like 9:30. I just got back from delivering a trailer to Rockingham. But luckily, we've got this fine F250 with about 400,000 miles. Had to put a battery in it. Gotta go back to the International and get my transport tag out. And I've got a ride home. The reason I need this ride home, though, is the thing. I lost my truck keys to my GMC somewhere. So, I usually would not be caught driving a Ford. I have not had the best luck with Fords over the past several years. So I stick to Chevrolet or GMC. But tonight, we're F250ing it up all the way back to the house.